Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in your Volvo XC60 key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, as the components are small. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob working perfectly. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob and slide out the mechanical key. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Slide the mechanical key back into its housing until you hear a click. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure the new battery is working. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.